Good evening. I have found us a cool little old shack that I think I'm going to hurt myself in. But I'm going to give it a shot anyway. Oh, it's a fucking trailer. Look at the state of this joint. Oh, this is grouse. That trailer is as old as fucking fuck. Oh, look how old this place is. Oh, that is so creepy. What is that? White Crow.
That is old.
And it's made by Ream. Everything is so old in this joint.
The 1950s.
I know, like, look at the fridge. Maybe it was a general post office or something, or a general store. Oh, look how old everything is. Wow. This joint hasn't been abandoned for long. This joint's been abandoned forever.
Oh, look at that. That's fucking ancient. An old jack of the car.
Wow. Everything in here is not going to be old. It's going to be historic. Like, things get old, but this, like, I've got yogurt bottles here. I wonder if they even have a fucking use by date on them. Oh, they probably would have been on the top label. Oh, newspapers. There's some creepy sounds coming from in there. Oh, look at the roof. Oh. Oh, here we go. Here's a newspaper that's readable. Maybe. What does that say? Handle Smash Shire House.
Like,
Yeah, man.
commenced on the 1st of the 7th, 1979.
Oh, and look at this. This has got hit the jackpot with a brand new Ford Telstar on the bit of paper. Wow.
It's safe to say.
Ah, that's a funny fucking joke,
You
mate.
can't get in there. People try to get in. Ooh, tweezers.
Oh, that's a nutcracker.
Oh, it is too. Put the nuts in there.
No, it's too small. Look at the old switches. Oh. Oh. Now, that's what you call a receipt, Caden.
I don't know.
That's how they used to print out until we got computers to do it. Oh, what's this thing? Everything is so old. Look at that.
Oh, you need each other.
Oh, I'm coming. Look at that. You can tell just by the pictures and stuff. Tasmania. 1986 to 1987. Alright, we're going over the safe. It's safe to say we're going over. A little corner office maybe. Oh, it is an old convenience store. Oh, look how rotten it is.
Well, somebody's already been in here anyway. Spooky Urbex Goth Girl. Wendigo.
Never heard of them. Oh, Post, look at that. No year. Wow, look at that. We just haven't got dates. Have we got date? Oh, Have to blur that bit out. Bit of nudity. Oh, look at the old compressor that ran the fridge. This place has been abandoned for a very long time. Yeah, a little old convenience
It's
store.
cooler out there, but the floor's gone.
Convenience store. Incredible.
Oh, it's an ant and cockroach duster.
Oh, look, there's still got new stuff on the shelf. It's brand new.
It's never been. Oh, it's been.
Oh, it has. Ugh. It's probably really bad for you these days. The old freezer.
Would you say you had to blur that nudity?
Yeah, there's naked mags.
No nudity.
Yeah, there is. Look on the front page. On the right, on the left.
Ah.
This is an amazing joint. The old power, the old meters. You'd be pretty shocked to say they still span, wouldn't you? You know they don't, but
Wonder how this
WinZip Quick Start Guide from 1991 to 2000. Bitman 2000. Who knows? So Caden reckons
left looks sick, but
to the left looks sick. Oh, what the fluky hell? Yeah, I'm going, chill. The old fridges.
Oh, the old Fanbab kit. $1.88.
What do you reckon it'll be for? 1400. It's probably like an old, it's probably a Beetle, a Volkswagen. I reckon it's a Volkswagen maybe. Might have to take a photo of that and have a look at that one later. Right, so he's worried about the floor, so I'm going to have a quick look. I'll stand on the edges. Oh, what the look at this room. Wow. I don't care. I've got to try this one out. Oh. Look at that. This must have been the living quarters or something. That ivy has been growing for years to get like that. That is cool as. Alright, into the kitchen we shall go. Oh shit.
Careful.
Oh shit. Oh, look at the old kitchen. What do you call that?
That's a combustion stove, huh?
It's an old boiler, mate, yeah. You got your hot water, your cooking, your heat. Oh. Most of the stuff in here is definitely old as anything. But then every now and again you get little things like this. Okay, it's not new, but it's not old either. Like, it's probably a Canbrook, what do you call it, yeah? Ronson, never heard of it. I bet you it hasn't got the newer safety plug on it, put it that way. With the old cable even. Tapes. Oh, oof. Oh, look at the old furnace. Oh, listen. Listen. Oh, I love me cassettes.
I'm not like this before.
He just walked past me and the whole floor shook. That's how bad it is in here. And he's scared of going here. Fucking look at the possums tracks and stuff all across everything.
Well, you get through this way.
Look at the old stove. It's just, oh, it's actually got its own fuses in it. Because that's not a safety hazard at all, is it? Wow. Oh, hey, we can all start cleaning up. Let's get the water turned back on. We got the Scotch Brights.
Oh, that's where we started. You can go in there, but there's not a great deal.
Oh. Right, so the fucking tin's missing off here too. We had really bad storms through here a few years back, and I reckon that's where half the, oh, this floor's spongy as. But I'm gonna give it a shot anyway. Go to there. That was sketch. Ah, sunroom. Yeah, that's where all the possums were getting in. I reckon even the possums don't live in here anymore. It's that uninhabitable. Oh, wow. Look at the old lamp. Worst bit is it's probably worth a bit of money. Some of the stuff in this joint would be worse than dollars. Like that chair has been sitting there that long, getting wet. Just decaying. Oh, that's creepy too. One t-shirt.
I'm worried about mold, so I won't spend too long in here.
Well, I think we've really looked at it all anyway. So I think we might be done.
There, but I'm not going very there.
Well, I'm going to walk back to where Caden is. And then I'm going to stand on this bit of the floor. Hopefully don't fall in. Oh, why does that look like that then? I don't know if I trust it, but I don't know if I don't trust it. So, you only live once. Oh, it's the bathroom. Bathroom and toilet. I can't get in there because it's got wood across it for some reason. Which is a bit creepy, seeming that both ends of this are blocked off. Why is the bathroom blocked off like that? Who knows? Right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I thought it was pretty cool. Different explore. I'm going to go take a few photos now. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. See you later.